Every day, millions of people pour this golden liquid into their frying pans, thinking it's the healthier choice. But what if I told you it could be one of the most harmful things you put into your body? We're talking about seed oils, the so-called heart-healthy cooking oils you've been told are good for you. But are they really?
Let's rewind a bit. Seed oils like canola, sunflower, soybean, and corn oil didn't always exist. In fact, they were originally created as industrial lubricants. That's right. These oils were designed for machines, not meals. But then, they realized they could refine them, bleach them, deodorize them, and slap a healthy label on the bottle. And just like that, these oils took over our kitchens. So the next time you're frying an egg, just remember, you're basically cooking it in an industrial lubricant. Yummy, right? But here's where it gets serious. Seed oils are packed with omega-6 fatty acids, which are highly inflammatory. While we do need some omega-6 in our diet, the problem is the imbalance. We consume way too much omega-6 compared to omega-3s, leading to chronic inflammation. Here's what consuming seed oils can do to your health over time. 1. Inflammation, the root cause of many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. 2. Increased risk of heart disease despite being marketed as heart healthy. Studies suggest that these oils may actually contribute to heart problems due to their inflammatory properties. 3. Weight gain and obesity. Seed oils are calorie-dense and can lead to increased fat storage, especially when combined with the high-carb diet. 4. Oxidative stress. When heated, seed oils produce harmful compounds called aldehydes that can damage cells and DNA. 5. Hormonal imbalance. The high levels of omega-6 can interfere with hormone production and regulation. 6. Digestive issues. Seed oils can cause bloating, cramping, and digestive discomfort due to their high polyunsaturated fat content. So, if you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or just not yourself lately, might be your cooking oil talking. And it's not just what you're cooking with. Seed oils are hiding in plain sight, lurking in your favorite snacks, salad dressings, mayonnaise, and basically anything deep fried. Check your labels. You'll often see ingredients like vegetable oil, soybean oil, or canola oil. These are just sneaky names for seed oils. Yep, even that healthy salad you're eating might be dressed up in a coat of industrial oil. Bon appetit. Why do they say seed oils are healthy? It's all about marketing. Decades ago, the vegetable oil industry launched massive campaigns promoting their products. They funded studies, ran ads, and even influenced dietary guidelines. Oh, and who doesn't love taking health advice from the same people who made margarine a thing? Remember when that was supposed to be healthier than butter?
So what's the solution? Here's the good news. There are plenty of healthier alternatives that don't involve industrial processing. Consider using these natural oils instead. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats, great for salads and low-heat cooking. Coconut oil, high in saturated fats that are stable at high temperatures, perfect for frying. Avocado oil, a great source of healthy fats, perfect for high-heat cooking. So ditch the industrial oils and go back to the good stuff. Your grandma knew what she was doing with that butter. The choice is yours. You can stick with those processed seed oils, or you can make the switch to natural, healthier options. It might seem like a small change, but it can have a big impact on your health in the long run. Don't let marketing gimmicks decide what goes into your body. Choose oils that are pure, natural, and nourishing. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join us for more eye-opening health tips and natural remedies. And don't forget to share this video, because everyone deserves to know the truth about what's in their food.